Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a voice AI agent using PHP. By the end of this video, you'll have a voice AI agent for insurance support that your PHP application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under Build Your First Use Case, select No-Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can either pick your use case from the templates below, or alternatively, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered voice AI agent that proactively calls customers when their submitted insurance claim needs a quick clarification. The agent should introduce itself professionally, explain what detail needs verification, capture the corrected information, and confirm that the claim review will continue without delay. The agent should be polite, empathetic, and keep the call short and clear. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your voice agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a submitted claim is flagged for clarification. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select PHP. Plivo generates a ready-made PHP snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone PHP script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a claim requires follow-up. Now let's test it locally. Paste the PHP snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your voice AI agent. Let's see how it works. As soon as a submitted insurance claim is flagged for clarification, the customer automatically receives a call from the insurance support agent.
Hi, Emily. This is the AI agent from Horizon Insurance. I'm calling in regard to the auto claim you submitted recently, and I just need a quick clarification to continue processing it.
Sure. What do you need?
In your claim form, the incident date is listed as January 12th, but the date of repair is dated January 10th. Can you confirm the actual date of the accident?
Oh, right. The accident did happen on January 10th. I just submitted the form 2 days later and must have entered the wrong date. I'm sorry.
Thanks for confirming. I'll update the incident date to January 10th so the review can proceed. One more thing. Under Remarks, you mentioned rear bumper damage. Was any other part of the vehicle affected?
No, just the rear bumper.
Got it. Your claim has been updated and is now back in review. You'll receive a status update within 2 to 3 business days.
Great. Thanks a lot.
And that's it. Your voice AI agent for insurance support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your PHP application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent, place an outbound call, and capture claim clarifications automatically using Plivo.